For almost 2 decades, the Banshee nozzle has been an industry standard and trusted by professionals worldwide for tube exchanger cleaning. And now StoneAge is introducing a new Banshee head specifically engineered for use with automated equipment. Modern automated lance feeding equipment provides forward thrust, so the power of the Banshee rear jets can be redirected to additional side jets to maximize cleaning power. This small but powerful adjustment results in an overall shortened cleaning time, using less water and less fuel, saving you time and money on every job. By running both the traditional and the new tool through a test pipe at extreme high speed, the results show that you can get the same great Banshee cleaning outcome at higher speeds when you combine automated equipment and the new Banshee AE head. With increased jet power focused completely on cleaning, better results are achieved in less time, with less waste. The new Banshee AE heads are interchangeable with traditional heads on existing Banshee tools and are available in unplugging, polishing, and universal configurations for any tube cleaning application. These specialized heads for automated equipment are available for 9.5mm, 13mm, 18mm, and 24mm Banshee models, giving you powerful cleaning performance across the most common range of tube sizes. A new spin on an old favorite, these updated Banshees deliver 10% additional cleaning power with their additional side jets and reconfigured jetting pattern. Get the best performance from your investment in automated equipment with the new Banshee AE head. Visit our website or contact us today.